Welcome back. Today we're talking about the mysteries of the engine room. This is a raw water pump, the raw water pump that goes on your cooling system on either your propulsion engine or your generator. And you can see the round piece here where the rubber impeller is inserted. And you can also see on this one, it's connected as a direct drive to the engine. It's oil lubricated and we have ball bearings on the inside there. If you need to work on the pump, depending upon how your engine is put together, you may want to cut out a piece of 2x4 like I've done here, so you can actually put this into a hole and have a steady work platform. So that'll be fine. The important part I want to show you here today is all of this ugly verdigris. Verdigris is oxidation to bronze, the same as oxidation is to aluminum, or rust is to steel. So if you've got this ugliness coming out of your raw water pump and you're leaking water down onto the motor mount, this is really not a water leak. This is actually an air leak. So if you're leaking water out while the engine is at rest, when the engine is actually running and your impeller inside of here is suction, it's a self-priming suction pump, then you're going to be sucking air in through here, which is going to give you less air, it'll give you more air induction into the water stream, and it'll give you less cooling ability. So the other thing that you may have is called water hammer or air hammer, whichever way you want to look at it. So sucking air in here will actually tear up the blades inside of the water pump, and then you'll have a rubber impeller failure, and then you'll have to change the rubber impeller here. And note on this one, whoever used this before they donated it to our class, put a number 8 on there, so that's a number 8mm wrench that goes onto those bolt heads. So the end result is you need to buy a whole new pump. You can't fix that. If you want to send it out to a machine shop and have them repair it, you get a 30-day warranty. That's about half the price of a whole new pump. I recommend buying a whole brand new pump, and then you've got a brand new seal right here and a brand new rubber impeller on the inside. So if you've got questions about your boat, about anything that's not normal, take a picture, send it to me, ask Captain Chris. But this is the indication that you are having a seal failure, your rubber impeller is going to fail, and the engine will overheat. If you've got any questions, ask Captain Chris.